We are on the road, driving through the Westfjords, on our way to Dynjandi. Woo!
Wow.
I've always wanted to see the top of the waterfall. Here it is! Woo! Oh, it's so beautiful up here. The views. Actually, my favorite part about Dynjandi is that it gets better the closer you get to it. I'm not kidding. You are like driving up into it and it's this huge fjord, so really to scale it looks mini, but then you get up to it and you're like, is this a dream come true? Yes. Welcome friends to the most beautiful waterfall in the land and my personal favorite, Dynjandi. Why do you ask? Is it my favorite? Because it is more than one waterfall. You get 7 waterfalls in one. It's Waterfall City. It's amazing. Plus this day is absolutely perfect, so there's nothing to complain about. I am one happy girl right now, I'm telling So in August and September, you can find wild blueberries in these bushes. Found one. Good stuff. Bye Dynjandi, I'll miss you. See you next time.